Welcome to Alikare, and as you know already, I'm Thea, and today in this video I'm going to reveal to you one of my facial mask recipe. Okay, now I know during this time we're staying at home, and even if you're not staying at home and you're going to and from on the road and you want to do a facial cleanse, or the stress just showing on your face of dealing with family issues, the coronavirus, everything that's going on, you just want to relax and you just want to feel that outer beauty, because we all know you're already beautiful inside, right? So I'm gonna walk you through the simple process that I do to let my skin looking glowing and everything. So first I use scrub, and I normally use like my rice scrub that I make myself. You have other various scrub, you have the tea tree oil scrub. I make some myself and use, but this particular time, because I know you're staying at home and you might not able to get rice scrub in the market, or you're not able to get my rice scrub. So what I did, I improvised and use a oatmeal scrub, and as I'm showing you here, so I use that oatmeal scrub, and I use that oatmeal scrub on my face. I leave it on for about 5 minutes and I rinse it off right after exfoliating my skin with it. And this is just for putting on my facial treatment, which is a mask that I make. Now you can use milk. The only two milk I recommend is skim milk and this milk that I'm using. The skim milk is normally a bulk milk. All of them are called skim milk, but some comes in the pack, some come bulk, and some you can get in your local market. And for 1 teaspoon of honey, and as you see how I'm mixing it here, I didn't use any measurement, but I'm just showing you to what level I mix it. I judge it off because I've been doing it so long, and I didn't have any teaspoon to measure it for you guys. Okay, and I use turmeric. Now the reason why I grated my turmeric is because I do not like powdered turmeric, because most time people buy the powdered turmeric to use as seasoning, to use as curry, and I don't know if it makes, and I'm not saying that it's mixed, but I just don't trust anyone. So I rather to use my grater and grater my own turmeric. Now normally I would use water to strain the turmeric, but because I'm not using any water, I still just use the grated turmeric. I make sure to mince it up. I use a finer part of the grater to grate the turmeric. If you don't have a grater, you have blender, you have grinder, go ahead and use that to grate the turmeric. You don't need a lot because it's very strong. And then I put honey, the lasca and the turmeric together, and then I apply to my face. I then just go about my normal duties. The turmeric tone it, the honey is what help to give you the glow. The turmeric also give you a kind of popping bright glow like what you see me having here. And the honey, it helps to even out your skin tone, that way you don't have it pitchy patchy, so the honey help to even it out. And also now the lasca help to tighten your skin for it to look firm, because you're going to feel it getting tightened. Please do not, once the mask start tightening on your face, don't laugh and talk with the mask at the same time. You don't want it to wrinkle, you don't want any wrinkles on your face. Just relax and have it there. You can do your work in, but once you're not communicating with anybody, then fine, just do your work and the mask will just do its own work, and just don't talk. And once you realize that it's dry and you finish your duties and you're ready to take it off, then go ahead and take it off. But if you're just gonna relax with it, if you want to really meditate, you can keep it on for at least 15 to 20 minutes. The turmeric will tone your skin, so if you're looking for your skin to tone and look very nice, exfoliate your skin, clean it, take away those whiteheads that you have, this is the mask for you. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I just wanted to share my tips with you that I am using. Now if you're